Guys, welcome back to the channel, Rozzy Grows. This is my 5G setup for right now. Everything going swell. Giving 5G coverage to the neighbors, so you guys can use your iPhones a little bit better. That's what we're doing out here. But anyways, guys, this is what we about to do today. We gotta get these skateboards up and running. Some need parts, some need charges, some need TLC, some need a lot of work. But yeah, this is gonna be the adventure for today, and we're about to be outside. I'm gonna take this little bad boy. This is the newest member of the family, the stoke, I don't know. We're gonna find out how she rides today. But yeah, man, I can't wait to get the charger for this one, because this one's about to be going up soon. Hey, you coming for a ride? Come on, jump on the skateboard. Jump on the skateboard. Jump on the skateboard. Come on, you got this. I believe in you. I believe in you. Lulu, jump on the skateboard. Come on, let's go. Like and subscribe. Rozzy Grow.